subscribe to this channel.
Hey everybody, I wanted to talk a little bit today about the philosophy of the silver armadillo. Now this was a new set of ideas that I was not
Because it's 5 o'clock into the workday. Time to go home. It's closing time. Let's go.
Here's the problem though. I think I've still got like another 2 hours of work to do here.
Yeah, but you said back in like episode 43 that it's all about work-life balance, right? And you can't work all the time. We have plans to eat nachos and watch Dateline.
Trust me, I do want to eat nachos and I want to watch Dateline. I know that balance is important, but...
Whoa. Just because it's 5 o'clock doesn't mean we just quit. I mean, sure, balance is important, but making the show is really fulfilling for some of us. Are you satisfied with this episode, Adam?
No.
What if how much we work is based on satisfaction and not just a quest for balance? What would you rather have in life? Balance or a sense of satisfaction?
I think I'd probably pick satisfaction.
Actually, yeah, me too.
Do you get satisfaction from making Adam's answers?
Oh, definitely.
Me too. How about eating nachos and watching tons of television?
Nachos.
Okay, but here's the thing. I love all of those things too, but when we do Adam's answers, I feel like I'm kind of becoming the best version of myself. So...
Yeah, so why do we have to quit right this minute if we're doing really satisfying work?
Yeah, I can answer that. Let's take a look at our life priority lists.
Great idea.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna go right behind the camera and catch this on film.
Okay, yeah. And if you've never made your own life priority list, these are awesome. Check this out. Do this yourself. Okay.
Okay, we're gonna make room here. Okay.
Okay.
So here goes mine. Check it out. We've got friendship.
Okay, good.
Okay. Nachos.
Like it. Okay.
Fun. Okay. A beard.
Oh, made the list.
Can't forget it. Got oil. Okay. And then adventure.
Oh, okay.
And as you can see, nachos is definitely on my priority list.
Definitely made the list.
Of
all right.
life.
Okay. You ready to see my list?
Sure. Yeah.
Okay. I'll do it over here.
Okay.
So I've got work, and I've got faith, and I've got inner circle of family and friends, and I've got health, and sheet cake.
Okay. Work definitely made your priority list.
The more I think about it, the more I think that this work that I do is really important to me, and I would be really disappointed if we had to quit right now. This work takes more than 40 hours a week. Maybe that's okay if I'm actually pursuing something that's helping me realize my life priorities.
But what if you were married and had little kiddos?
Oh yeah, well obviously then I'd need to totally reassess this whole list, but only I'm qualified to judge whether my work and life is balanced in a satisfying way. Some days are obviously gonna be more play days, and some days are gonna be more work days. And so on a day like...
Cut! Great work! That's an episode. I just discovered surfing. Let's go surfing now!
Everybody's learning how.
Ooh, but nachos first! Yeah!
Oh, well, I guess I'll go edit some more. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. For more Adam's Answers episodes, you can click right here. And please don't forget to subscribe. That happens down here. Laugh a little, think a lot, love better.